The next practical for that the explaining interfacing of that the LCD to pick microcontroller. In that the aim for that to study the interfacing of that the LCD to pick microcontroller 16F877. Here the apparatus for that the 16 by 2 into LCD microcontroller 16877 development board. Here the circuit diagram. In that the circuit diagram in PIC microcontroller 16F877A connected the pin number 1 is that the MCLR, that means the reset circuit. Here that the reset circuit consists the 10 kilo resistor, 10 microfarad capacitor, and that the switch connected to through that the VCC and ground. And the pin number 13 and 14, here the oscillator 1 and oscillator 2 connected through that the 2 capacitor 22 picofarad, and that the connected through that the 4 megahertz quartz crystal. Here the 12 number is that the ground and 11 number is that the VCC. Whereas the LCD RS pin is that the connected through that the port B in number 38, and that the pin number 37 port B is that the connected through that the enable, and that the RW is that the reset circuit in that the ground. Whereas the PIC microcontroller, the data pins connected through that the port B0, B1, B2, and that the B3, where pin number has that the 33, 34, 35, and that the 36. The program for that the PIC microcontroller, here as that the start for that the global declaration of that the function and variable, whereas the initialization for that the LCD and the cursor off, that means the all the bit and that the data direction bit, here as the declaration for that the port B and port B, whereas that the while loop, in that the while loop write the data on that the LCD and move the text to that for that the right, and the move the text to that the left. Here the command for that the LCD, and then goes for that the return. In that the command subroutine for that the LCD data value, enable 1, that means the H is high, and enable 0, that means the L is the low. Here the delay function for that the command subroutine, here LCD. And then next the data subroutine for that the LCD data value enable 1, and that the RS 1, for that the delay function enable 0, and that the RS 1, and then goes for to that the return the data. In that the delay subroutine, the decrement of that the count, and the return on that the composition of that the count. Here the LCD interfacing for that the PIC microcontroller, it is the 8-bit microcontroller, and it consists for that the 16F877 chip on that the ADC available. In that the ADC consists of that the 8-bit, it is the 10 channel, and that the 8-bit resolution. There are the 5 ports are available in that the A, B, C, and D, and that the E, in which port A is that the 6-bit, and that the port E is that the 3-bit, and remaining all ports that the 8-bit. It has the 35 instruction set, and that the required 5-volt power supply. The clock and reset circuit, there as the simple to that the RC oscillator, using only that the internal and external RC component is there, the simplest way of that the oscillator. Their connection for that the value resistor and capacitor in case of that the external RC component are available in that the 10 kilo ohm and that the 10 microfarad respectively. The RC circuit is used only the application where the clock requirement are not very precise. In that the clock circuit C1 and C2 are that the 2 capacitor to be connected externally along with that the crystal. Instead of that the crystal, one may be the protect for that the ceramic resonator as the cheaper alternative, whereas the external external capacitor are not required. However, the crystal has that the better accuracy and that the turning generation of that the real-time operation one should that the crystal. In that the LCD interfacing, the alphanumeric liquid crystal display allows the better interface with the text message of that the enter the instruction and get the response from that the text, and knows better manner what is the machine for that the including diagnostic information. This is also helps for that the finding and debugging. The main advantages of that the LCD display is there the low power consumption, speed with that which displayed information is updated, and that the 16 band elongated from that the LCD controller is that the 16 by 2 that means the 16 character per lines, and that the with two such lines. A number of that the LCD model can be interfaced this way, the independent of their manufacture. LCD has that the 3 control line, 3 data line, and 3 control signal RS, RW, and enable. Whereas the VSS ground, VCC is the 5-volt power supply, VE is the constant control power supply. When RS is 0, there is the select command, and RS is 1, there is the select data register. In that the RW, where RW is 0, then they write the data, and RW is the 1, then read the data. Pin number 6 is the enable. Pin number 7, D0 to D7 is that the 8-bit data bus. In that the LCD instruction allows the selecting the display function, cursor position, blinking, selecting the character from of the 8-bit number data. The lines below shows from that the instruction of that the intelligent LCD controller user for that the suitable code needed. And that the finally the interfacing of that the LCD to big microcontroller is successfully studied.